सियावर रामचंद्र जी की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। सियावर रामचंद्र जी की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। सियावर रामचंद्र जी की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। नमस्कार, स्वागतम, सुस्वागतम, अभिनंदनम। जय श्री कृष्ण, जय श्री राम, वणक्कम, जय जिनेन्द्र। Hello and welcome to one and all. My name is Neha Nagar and I welcome you all on behalf of Shri Krishna Mandir Leamington Spa. We would like to thank each one of you who have joined us today to celebrate the victory of Lord Rama. As you all know, last year due to pandemic, we could not celebrate Dashera like we do it every year. So we really missed it all, and especially our kids. It is important for our kids to understand our culture and tradition. So, to make it extra special and traditional this year, we have come up with an idea to show you all how Dashera is celebrated in different parts of India. Diversity thrives. Everything here is unique, be it food, culture, or traditions. Even attires vary. It is no surprise then that our way of worshipping changes as per our diversified rituals and customs. Navratri is one such example of this very diversity. During this 9 nights and 10 days, we worship different forms of goddesses. So let's enjoy the different ways of celebrating Dashera across India and witness its sheer diversity. Now, to start any auspicious endeavor, the first deity to be worshipped is Lord Ganesh. This is what the following dance is meant to do. The dancer first asks Lord Jagannath to grace her performance, and then she prays to Lord Ganesh to bless her performance and prays for everyone who has joined us today. And then finally she thanks God thanks to her God, gurus and audience for their attention. Any guesses what is this form of dance called? Yes, the dance you are going to see next is Odissi choreography. Odissi is one of the India's classical dances. It is performed, Odissi is one of India's classical dance. It is used to be performed in temples in the state of Orissa, especially in the Konark temple. And little ones, you will find it more exciting to guess the different mudras and their meanings. So watch out for Ganeshji's big tummy, his long trunk, and also spot him lifting a snake and dancing with it. And also you can spot his parents, Lord Shiva and Devi Parvati. Now, as this is a devotional dance, the audience is requested not to talk while the performance is on. So please welcome on stage Catalin Patnaik dancing Mangalacharan Ganesh Vandana, choreographed by Padam Vibhushan Shri Guru Kelucharan Mohapatra. Thank you.
Karnataka has produced so many famous personalities who have contributed to the society in one way or the other. Here, Karnataka team is delighted to present few of them. Please welcome on stage
पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्तों. Are you guys having fun? Are you all enjoying all the dazzling performances of this evening? Yay! And are you eating well? Okay. So let's move on now. Dashera is a day to restore our faith that good always wins in the end. And even though the path of evil looks tempting and easy, one should always remember that truth triumphs in the end. Festivities may change from region to region, but the message remains the same. And that's what we all need to take from this festival. Our next performance is from Maharashtra, and there are number of traditions followed when it comes to Dashera celebrations.
Shri Krishna. Our next event is from the state of Madhya Pradesh, which is central part of India. One of the biggest festivals of Hindus, Dashera is marked by grand celebrations in Madhya Pradesh, which showcases a striking display of fireworks along with the theatricals featuring Ramayana. On Dashera,
शुरू करते हैं।
बोलिए भगवान श्री रामचंद्र की, भगवान श्री रामचंद्र महाराज की।
it was such an energetic performance, really. Did you all enjoy it? Yes, watch once again. Yeah. Really, we all feel so energetic and happy when we hear Punjabi songs. So thank you.
Do you want to see Hanumanji setting Lanka on fire? With lights and sounds effect. Loud. Yay! Okay, so do you know before that?
Coronavirus, so hopefully this is the end of coronavirus. We want to burn this coronavirus today. But stay safe.
So kids, please listen it carefully. Today we are all here not to burn Ravan, but to burn his 10 evils and virtues, which we can relate to his 10 heads. First, lust, calm. Second, krodh, anger. Third, attachment, moh. Fourth, greed, loath. Fifth, pride, mother. Sixth, envy, irsha. Seventh, hatred, grina. Ninth, fear, bhaya. Ninth, insensitivity, jadadat. And 10th, ego, ahankar. We as human beings living in this materialistic world do possess one or more of these evil virtues. So let's make sure we will all leave our bad evils and burn it along with the effigy of Ravan today, and make sure to take only all good virtues with you while returning back home today. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Hanuman. Do you see the main head of Ravan, ego? Pavan Sutta